when our community and our voters passed the 2014 bond. That allowed us to buy devices for our students, and in 2015, they began taking them home. So we've had a long tradition of students using devices for learning, and that made the transition during COVID much different for the Beaverton School District than many other school systems around the country.
In this next bond, what we're looking to do is basically to replace all of the devices that all of the students are using. So it ends up being about 40,000 devices that we'd end up purchasing. We want to get something that's going to be useful for people, right? And so the starting point is always what's going to help kids learn best. And then there's a bunch of sort of behind the scenes logistical things that are important to us. So we have to weigh factors like price.
It is so very important for us to be listening to the needs of our students and our teachers, and be looking at our curriculum to determine what works best. And technology changes very rapidly. And so we want to make sure that we are collecting feedback from all of our groups of students and of staff so that we can best understand the needs that are coming forward to make sure that we're matching the technology to support students.